Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this leaf. So to make this I have used single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet stitches and did total 3 rounds to get this size. This is 6 inch in length and 4 inch in width. You can use this leaf in number of your crochet project. Here I am going to use this as a coaster. So before we start to make this leaf, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this leaf. To make this I am going to use this cotton thread from Sugar and Cream, and for this cotton thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 3.0 mm. You will need needle, scissor and a stitch marker. So take your thread and make a slip knot on your hook. Now make chain 23. So after chain 23, now skip your first chain, work in next stitch. Here make one single crochet, then work in next stitch, make one half double crochet, then work in next stitch, make one double crochet, now work in next 16 stitches and top of that make one triple crochet. So to make the triple crochet, grab the thread 2 times. Now take your hook in next stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now you have 4 loop. Now grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then next 2 loop, then last 2 loop. So this is our triple crochet stitch. So we made 1. Now work in next 15 stitches and make one triple crochet. So total 16 triple crochet stitches. So after 16 triple crochets, now work on your next stitch, make one double crochet, then next stitch one half double crochet, then on your last stitch, here we are going to make 3 single crochet stitches. So 3 single crochet. Now we are going to work to the other side of this chain stitches. So you can see this back loop of the chain stitches. So we are going to work on this stitches. Now take your hook on first stitch, here make one half double crochet, now work in next stitch, make one double crochet, now work in next 16 stitches and make one triple crochet, So after 16 triple crochet, now work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then on next stitch 1 half double crochet, then on next stitch make 1 single crochet. Now you can see this stitch here. Take your hook and make 1 slip stitch. So our round number 1 is done. Now in round number 2, make chain 1, turn your work, skip your turning chain. Now work on top of first stitch and here make 1 single crochet, then work in next 2 stitches and make 1 half double crochet, then work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then in next stitch make 2 double crochets, 1 more in same stitch, then work in next stitch 1 double crochet. Now work in next 10 stitches and make 1 triple crochet, so after 10 triple crochet, now work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then in next stitch make 2 double crochets, then in next stitch make 1 double crochet, then on next 2 stitches make 1 half double crochet, now work in next 1, 2 and 3 stitches and top of that make 2 single crochet stitches, so we made the one side of this leaf. Now we are going to work to the other side. So work to the other side in next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet, then work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then work in next stitch, make 2 double crochets, then work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, now work in next 10 stitches and make 1 triple crochet, so after 10 triple crochet, now work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then on next stitch make 2 double crochet, then on next stitch make 1 double crochet, Then in next 2 stitches make 1/2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1 single crochet. So our round number 2 is done. Now in round number 3 make chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain. Now work in next 1, 2 and 3 stitches, and top of that make 1 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, now work in next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 half double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1/2 double crochet. Then work in next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 double crochets. Then on next stitch make 1 double crochet. Then work in next 6 stitches and make 1 triple crochet. After 6 triple crochet in next stitch make 1 double crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1 double crochet. Then 1/2 double crochet in next stitch. Then 2 half double crochet in next stitch. Then 1/2 double crochet next stitch. Now work in next 5 stitches and make 1 single crochet. After 5 single crochet, now make chain 3. Now work on the third chain and make 1 slip stitch. Now we are going to work to the other side of this leaf. So in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet. So after 5 single crochet, work on next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 half double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1/2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 double crochet. Then on next stitch make 1 double crochet. Now work in next 6 stitches and make 1 triple crochet. So after 6 triple crochet, work on next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then on next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Then on next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then on next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then on next stitch, make 2 half double crochet. Then on next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Now in next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So we completed our third round. Now we are going to make the stamp. Work in next 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 4 single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain, work on next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now make chain 6, skip first chain and in next 5 chain stitches make 1 single crochet. So 5 single crochets. Work in next 2 stitches, insert your hook, grab and pull the thread. Now take your hook in next stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now you have 3 loop on your hook. Now grab the thread and pull from all 3 loop. On next stitch, make 1 slip stitch. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin. So this leaf coaster is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.